If Allah becomes displeased with someone, charity is the means to escape His displeasure. By giving charity, Allah becomes pleased and turns His mercy towards the person. Charity means fulfilling the needs of those in need, such as providing for their necessities, feeding someone who has no food to eat, giving clothes to someone who has none to wear, and fulfilling someone's needs is charity, my brother. And what happens with this? Allah becomes pleased. If a person has committed a sin, and if there is a punishment from Allah for that sin, Allah forgives it. Therefore, giving essential items quickly is important. I don't know where these sayings originated from, but they are very common in Hyderabad. They have become less frequent. As someone with little knowledge, I feel that we have received this understanding